Hi everyone. So for this project I'm using an empty box of plastic wrap and the cardboard roll also. Make the holes on the both sides. Check the same size of your cardboard roll as well. Here it's all done. I made 2 holes on both sides. And here you can see. Now take the white glue and tissues and cover all the box with tissues. It's all dry now, and I'm going to use 3 different acrylic paints, blue, green and dark brown, to give a different shade of green. All are acrylic paints. Mix all them together. You can use any color you like. If you don't want to use the mine one, you can use any other color as well. Once it's all dry, the next thing we'll start to do is decorating the box. I am using golden acrylic paint. Take a brush and just give the shades over the texture of the tissues. Here you can see I will not use the golden paint inside the box or the space of the tissues. I will just do it on the top like this as a texture. Here it's all done. You can see the color, the texture both together are looking nice, and on the edges you can use more golden paint to define, to give it the details. Here like this. This cardboard roll I made it golden as well, and here like this you will put it inside. Okay, this is again my homemade clay, and I will use this shape of flower I need. I need only one, and I will make it and leave it to dry completely until I finish the rest of the things of the box. And please subscribe to channel, comment down below what else DIY videos you wanna watch. Thanks for your support, love and encouragement. Here I have one golden lace which I will use on the both sides of the box in this way, in this shape. Take hot glue and apply it on both sides. Here it's done. Both sides I put lace. And now here I have a beautiful brown rose shaped flower. It was from a packaging, so I'm using it now here. I know it's not matched, but it looks nice, so I'm using it here now. Here you can see it's all dry now. I will stick it in the front of the box and I will color it golden acrylic paint. This is a white bead just for decor as well. I'm using on the top of the clay flower I made. And if you want, you can remove the pipe inside. I put it the cardboard roll, and you can just put any stuff or even bangles without this roll as well. This is a black ribbon I'm using on the sides of the lace just to define it more. You can see the difference now after adding this. If you don't like this, you can skip this step.